Secure the lines, hold on! It's coming loose!
Bro, what if we're just NPCs in the city building game?
Don't say that! I eat crumb free bread this morning!
I wake up, repeat, I judge humans, I rot humans? That's not suspicious to you?
Shh, the drone might hear you.
Okay, but if this is Ross a simulation, I want DLC wing.
Bro, what if we're just NPCs in a city building game?
Don't say that! I just unlocked free bread this morning!
I wake up, I eat crumbs, I judge humans, repeat. That's not suspicious to you? Shh, the drone might hear you. Okay, but if this is a simulation, I want DLC wings.